Hi, Bye4. This is Check-In Friday. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the exam, about the practical. Grades were lower this time, and that was because you had to write in the name of the muscle. That was harder. And I received some emails from you guys asking, how do I study for this? Because some of you were disappointed. And I think it's just time. You have to write these names out and say them again and say them again and write them out and say them again. And it really does take time. It's not so hard. It's difficult conceptually, but it does take practice. And I think that for the next one then, it's going to be the same format, fill in the blank. Just know those names so that you can respond to them really fast, so that time is not an issue. And write them out many times. Spelling errors, I went back and corrected many. So if you had just one letter that was off, I gave you those points. So if you all of a sudden saw you got 4 more points or 5 more points or 2 more points, it's because I went through every exam and looked at those. So don't get disappointed, just stay with it, but just repeat and write it over again. And that's how we memorize. That's how we get through this. Next week, I'm looking at the calendar now, you also have another test. So that one I think you're more adept at. How do you study that? And I'm a little less worried about that one. This time I'm going to allow you, I've always allowed you a 3x5 card that you can write out. It has to be handwritten out, and if you submit that, a photo of that, you will get points for it. The point of that is that once you start writing things out, it helps you remember it, and that's why I'm having you do that. And that's what you can consult. You can't have anything else open. Please, during the exam, don't have the tabs open. Don't have any other browsers open. Okay, and then we will, and next week, because of the exam, you won't have new material. I'm going to let you just have that week without new material so that you can study for it. And I think that should be really helpful. And the exam would be next Friday. I think that's all I have. Let me see if I have notes for myself. That's kind of what I wanted to cover. And have a great weekend. Take care. We'll see you next week.